Welcome back, students. In our last video, we covered the topic addition within 20, and under this topic we learned how to do addition of one-digit numbers, addition of two-digit numbers, and word problems on addition. Today we are going to start a new topic. Are you all excited to know what is the new topic? Okay, let me introduce you the new topic. So children, our next topic of the day is subtraction within 20. Children, you all have already learned about subtraction from numbers 1 to 10 in the previous video. But today in this video, we are going to learn subtraction from numbers 1 to 20. Okay children? Now everybody have a look what is there in this topic. Students, before I go ahead with the topic, let me tell you again that what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away a small number from a big number. Correct children? Subtraction means taking away a small number from a big number. And this is the sign that we use for subtraction, and this sign is called minus. Okay children? Subtraction means taking away a small number from a big number, and this is the sign which is called minus, and this is used for subtraction. Okay? So children, the first thing that we are going to learn on this topic is subtracting one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers. Okay children, we are going to learn subtracting one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers. Let me show you how. So now children, let us do this subtraction sum. 15 minus 3. Children, as we all know, subtraction means taking away a small number from a big number. Correct children? So let us do this subtraction. Now, which number is this? This is 15. So first let me draw 15 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now, out of 15 balls, how many balls we have to take away children? We have to take away 3 balls. And we all know that in subtraction, we start counting from backward. So, let us count from backward and minus 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So now children, let us see how many balls we are left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So children, how many balls we are left with? We are left with 12 balls. So 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Correct children? When we take away 3 from 15, we get the answer 12. Okay children, let me show you one more example. Now children, our next number is 20 minus 8. Okay, so children, let us do the sum. What number is this? This is 20. Let us draw 20 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, out of this 20 sticks, how many sticks we have to subtract children? We have to subtract 8 sticks. And we all know in subtraction, we count from backward. So, let us minus 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us count how many sticks we are left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 20 minus 8 is 12. When we take away 8 from 20, we get the answer 12. Okay children, I hope that this sum is clear to everyone. Now children, we are going to solve some word problems on subtraction. Okay, we are going to solve some word problems on subtraction. Children, everybody have a look on this picture. Kate has 10 seashells. How many seashells? 10. She gives away 4 to her friend. How many seashells are left? So, Kate has 10 seashells. She gives 4 to her friend. Now, if out of 10, 4 shells have been given away to her friend, how many shells Kate is left with? So, 10 minus 4. So children, when we minus 4 from 10, it means when we take away 4 from 10, what is the answer that we are getting, children? 6. Correct, children? Yes. When we minus 4 from 10, we get the answer 6. So Kate has 6 seashells left with her. Okay, children? Let me show you one more example. Children, everybody have a look on this picture. Shiny has 16 chocolates. How many chocolates she has? She has 16 chocolates. She ate away 6 chocolates. Okay, how many chocolates she ate away? She ate away 6 chocolates. Now, how many are left? Students, 16 minus 6. What is the answer that we get? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what is the answer that we are getting? Yes, the answer is 10. When we do the subtraction of 16 minus 6, we get the answer 10. So, she has 10 chocolates left. Okay, children, I hope this sum is clear to everyone. Children, now I am going to teach you subtraction with the help of this lovely red tomatoes. Children, as you all can see, there are few tomatoes on the table. First, let us count how many tomatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, how many tomatoes are there on the table? There are 9 tomatoes. Now, if from this 9 tomatoes I take away 1, 2, 3, then how many tomatoes we are left with, children? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, if out of 9 tomatoes, if we take away 3 tomatoes, so we are left with 6 tomatoes. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, children? Now children, everybody have a look on ma'am's table. What are these? These are green chilies. Now let us count how many chilies are there on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many chilies are there on the table, students? There are 12 chilies. Now, if out of this 12 chilies, I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chilies. Now, if out of 12 chilies, I take away 5 chilies, how many chilies we are left with, students? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, out of 12 chilies, ma'am has taken 5 chilies. So, we are left with 7 more chilies. So, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, children? Now, children, everybody have a look on this picture. Children, as we are done with the chapter and I have covered all the topics, so I hope this thing will be easy for you to solve. These are the word problems on addition and subtraction which I want you all to solve at home by yourself. Please do not take help from your parents. If there is any doubt, if there is something that you do not understand or you are not able to do, please ask the concerned teacher in the class. Okay? There are 6 word problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go through it and try to solve all by yourself. If in case any doubt, any problem, feel free to ask your teacher in the class. Okay, children? Okay, children, so as we are done with the chapter, it is time for me to end the video. We will meet again in the next video, in the next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much, my dear students, for listening to your ma'am. Take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.